Namaste everyone and welcome our subscribers. Today we are going to present some numerical aptitude questions. In numerical aptitude questions, first question we are going to solve here. Given the question, the sum of four consecutive number is 50. Yes, consecutive number is 50. Find the square of greatest of it. So what is the consecutive numbers? Four consecutive numbers, we will try to find it out. So first we consider the consecutive numbers are as x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3, and sum of these four consecutive number is 50. So when you do the sum of these four consecutive numbers, we will get 4x plus 6 and it is equal to 50. So when you solve it, we will get 4x is equal 50 minus 6, it is equal to 44. So x will be equal to 11. So our consecutive numbers are 11 plus 1, it will be 12, and 11 plus 2 13, 11 plus 3 is 14. So what is the greatest of it? 14 is the greatest of it. And when we do the square, it is asking square. So when we do 14 square is equal to 196. So answer is 196. We will go to the second question. Here the second question is here 0.2 is equal to 0.2 into 0.2 and b is equal to 0.2 division of 100. So what is the value of a plus b? So we know that a is equal to, here given 0.2 into 0.2 into 100, that means 0.2 into 0.2 it is 400, and the decimal is 2 digit, 1 digit and 2 digits. So we give the point is here. So a equal to 4 and b is equal to, when we find it out, 0.2 divided by 0.2, we get it 1 division of 100, 1 division of 100. So b is equal 1 by 100, it is equal to 0.01. So a plus b is equal, we get it 4.01. Yes, so answer is number 3. We go to the next question. Question number 3. Find the value of 100% of 2. These numbers, what is the value? Yes, we know that what is the means of 100%. 100% means 100, and due to this percentage, it will be 100, and 100 by 100 it is equal to 1. So 100% divided by 2 is means of 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So what is the answer? 1. Next question. Number 4. Find the sum of 17, 18, 19 even number coming after 21. So what is the first even number after 21? We say 22. Next number is 24 and 26, like that. Now to find it out, the 17th number, 18th number and 19th number, we take the help of arithmetic progression. Yes, we know that nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is considered as a first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. So in this AP series, here the 17th term we find it out. Here a is equal to 22 plus n equal to 17 minus 1, and d is the common difference. What is the difference between 24 and 22? It is 2. So doing calculations, we are getting here 22 plus 16 into 2, yes, 22 plus 32, and it is equal to 54. So what is the 17th term? 54, and definitely 18th term will be 56, and 19th term will be 58. So when you do the sum of 54, 56 and 58, we will get it here. The sum is 168. What is the sum we will get? 168. So our answer is 168. Viewers, one more questions with us. The product of 4 consecutive prime number is 210. Yes, 4 consecutive prime numbers. Yes, and asking find the addition of 2 middle term. find the addition of two middle term number. What is the, so we do that prime factorization of 210. When we do the prime factorizations, we get it in this way. When we divide by 2, we'll get 2 on the 2, and this is 105. Again, divide by next prime number divided by 3, we'll get, it is 3 is a 9, 35 we are getting. The next number we are getting 5 divided by 7, 5 7 is 35. So what are the consecutive numbers are there? 2, 3, 5, 7, and these are, when you multiply it, we'll get 210 definitely. And now what is the two middle term number? Middle number is 3 and 5, and what is the 3 and 5 sum is 8. Thank you subscribers, and we remain with the channel, and those who are not subscribed these channels, please you do subscribe, then you will get update all the videos. Thank you.